our class, and in today's class we'll be starting a new chapter on science. So before I continue with this chapter, let me talk something. See, if I ask you a question, what are the living things? Certainly, all of you know what are the living things. You may tell me animals are the living things. Then you may tell me plants are the living things. Or you may tell me also that human are the living things. Then this is 100% correct. All these living things that we have mentioned can be seen by our eyes. Am I right? You can see. Certainly, you can see a tiger, you can see a tree, like that. But what about those things which we cannot see by our eyes? Do there are living things which we cannot see by our eyes? Yes, certainly. There are living things which we cannot see by our eyes. And these are called microorganisms. These microorganisms are there in our life, but we cannot see by our naked eyes. We can see this organism only by a microscope. Okay, and they can be present in air, they can be present in the soil, they can be present in the water, like that. Okay, but you cannot see by your eyes. So well, dear, today we are going to start our chapter on microorganism, and this is the chapter 2 of your textbook. So you can see your textbook and you can go through it. So to start with, let's first ask a question: what is a microorganism? So microorganisms are nothing but they are the organisms which are very very small in size. Okay, and sometimes in a very simple words they are also called microbes. Okay, and the science which deal with these microbes are called microbiology. Well, so to continue with this, we will also talk about the type of microorganisms that we have. Yes, we have got different types of microorganism. The first one you must have seen, okay, or you must have heard, bacteria. Yes, these are one of the microorganism. Then we have got fungus, which is there in your home, which is there in the forest, in the corner of your house. Okay. Then we have protozoa, mostly I think in the water. Okay. Then we have algae, which is also sometime in the water or maybe in the wetland. Okay, so these are some of the microorganism. Even virus, which I think nowadays we have been talking so much about virus, are also microorganism. Well, how do these microorganisms look like? See, if you look in the bacteria, you'll find that they look like this. Okay, and different type of bacteria, they have got different shape. Like, say for example, you must have seen like this one. Okay, streptococcus. Okay, then after that you must have seen this clostridium. The shapes different. Okay, like that. See, you see, I've got a lot of different shapes are here. Okay, so Helicobacter pylori, like this. Okay, these are the bacteria. Some of these bacteria are good and some of these bacteria are harmful also. Okay, then fungus. Yes, you must have seen fungus, and mostly like mushroom type. Okay, so these are there in your house, they are there in the forest. Okay, and they grow. Okay, especially in the wetland or in a damp place. Okay, so these are the fungus. After that we have got protozoa. Yes, this is something like animal type of microorganism. Okay, and mostly they are in water. Okay, and there are the shape of the protozoa look like this. Okay, after that we have got algae. Even these sometimes they are plant type of microorganism. They are green in color. Okay, and they are also there actually in water area. Okay, and but if they grow in a large number, then you can see. Otherwise, a single algae, you cannot see it. Okay, so these are some of the type of microorganism. Okay, so if you go through the books, okay, right from the first page of the chapter 2, okay, then you will start finding, okay, the different type of this microorganism.